The Foundry Coffee House presents how to brew a pour-over in a Kalita wave. The first thing you will need is coffee beans, a scale, Kalita wave dripper, Kalita wave glass server, a gooseneck kettle, and last but not least, a barista. Step 1. While there are numerous different ways to dose your coffee, we recommend taking 22 grams of fresh coffee beans. Take that coffee and grind it to a slightly coarse setting. Step 2. Take a paper filter and put it in the dripper. Next, fill the kettle with water that measures to around 210 degrees. Pour the water into the empty filter. This is important because of two things. One, it warms up the server and the coffee. Second, it rids the coffee of all the paper taste that might come with the filter. Pour the water out of the server and you are ready for the next step. Step 3. Load the coffee grounds into the filter and make sure you have a flat surface. The more even the surface, the better the end result will be. Step 4. Now you can start your pour. Calibrate the scale and take the kettle and pour 50 grams of water into the dripper. You will want a consistent and even pour, and make sure all the grounds have been touched. This is called the bloom, as it releases all the gases in the coffee. A timer should be started, and you should wait until the 1 minute mark to start the next pour. Pour 250 grams of water into the dripper. This time you will need to pour a bit slower. Once you hit the 250 gram mark, stop your pour and watch the water slowly drain into the dripper. As soon as the beans are slightly dried and there is room to pour, your last pour should be until 350 grams. Step 5. Once you've stopped pouring, take a mug and preheat it with hot water. Wait until all the water has made it through the filter and trash it. Take the dripper off the top of the server and swish the coffee around in a circular motion. Step 6. Pour the coffee from the server into a mug and enjoy a great cup of coffee.